Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the picture for friendships, and this is in the relationship section of the Die Hard demand on print on demand business, which is, I recommend Printful because they teach you what to do and they give you an account for free just so you can get started without having to pay, right? And this is about, me. What do? I help you with and show you how easy it is to do your slogans, logos, and sayings, and what you do with those. You put them on your caps, you put them on your t-shirts, you put them on your mugs, hoodies, and jackets, and anything else you can think of. Okay, so that's what it is, and this is a print on demand business, which is passive and in nature, and the income you get from it is passive. But you've got to persist with this, right? And you got to do about 10 a day. If you do that, you got 10 slogans a day, and you can do that by searching Google. You can go to Etsy and have a look at the ones that don't copy because you'll get slapped with a copyright suit if you do that. Don't copy other people. Just take those logos and slant them, change them slightly, change them. As long as you do that, then that's fine. You can use those, put those up, so you put 10 up a day, and pretty soon your income will be replaced. And then you do this part time alongside your job, which is just on break. Earned income's the worst thing you can have. It really is, because you've got to be there. You've got to be present to get paid. And paid people say, "Oh no, I've got my sick pay and I've got my holiday." No, because once that's gone, you try taking a day off. Then take a day off when you've got no sick pay. Take a day off when you've got no holiday pay, and see if you get paid. You won't. That's a fact, because you've got to be there. You've got to be present. You've got to clock in and clock out. Because I've been there, I've done this, so I know what I'm talking about. See, I've been there. So, this business here is passive. I know you don't have to clock in, you don't have to clock out. Don't have to be present. You do your 10 a day. It might take you less than an hour to do 10. You put them up. That's it. And every day you do the same thing, and that's all you do. Rinse and repeat, and pretty soon, you'll have your freedom, and that's what this represents: freedom. You know, because why? Because you don't have to be there. That's as simple as that all the time. You only put a little bit of work in, and that's it. That's all you do, right? And anyway, without much fanfare and without further ado, let's get on with another. You know, um, and here's one here. This is another one. This is a great one. This one, but it's very true. Yeah, it's very, very true. Oh, okay, we got to change that because we made a mistake, but that's all right. We just carry on. Don't cry over the spilt milk. It's for sure. Here's another good saying: "Don't cry over spilt milk." That's an old one. That one. Lifelong friends. Lifelong friends. There you go. Lifelong friends are as rare as diamonds, and boy, is that true. There's not too many people that will stick with you all your life. Not too many at all. Most are acquaintances, and most are there to try and get out of you what they can. And then they move on. You see. So, but there you go. Lifelong friends are as rare as diamonds. If you have one, then you've got something that's just precious. It's really uh, uh, and this is another one. I just come up with this right now. Hang on, just made a mistake again, so we go back and correct that. This is also true. Here you go. Friendship is a really precious thing, and it is. When you've got good friends, I mean real good friends, this is precious, because it helps you, see, to go through life. and to enjoy life as well, see. Friends help you to enjoy life. It's another one, see. I'll just put that one's a good one too. They do help you to enjoy life, friends do. Yeah, that's a good one too. I'll put that one down as well because see, I just coming off the top of my head. See, that's one. That's how easy it is. You know, this is how easy it is. Hey, yeah, friends help you to enjoy life. They do too. That's true. They do. They make life better. They do. It's really having fun, laughing and having fun, and that's what it's about. You see. But it's very hard when you're stuck to your job, job, and you're slaving away to get by and just to spend time with your friends on the weekend. Nah, see, that's the trouble with it. But that's slanted in a way you don't want that. You see, lifelong friends are rare as diamonds. That's true. You know, because most of us are stuck where we're stuck in our jobs. Just on break. And we just keep on it and we don't our lives you only get one existence and that's it. Friendship is a really precious thing. Yeah, it really is. And you find a great friend, man, you've got something precious, and you want to look after that because they're beautiful people. They're really nice. They're great. Usually have things that say of interest. So together, so it's brilliant. And friends help you to enjoy life. They do too. That's exactly what they do. They help you to enjoy life. You help them to enjoy life too. And together you help each other to enjoy life. And that's what it is. So I say this, you put these slogans and these slogans and logos and sayings on your caps, your hoodies and your jackets and your t-shirts and anything else you can think of, right? And you put that up, these up. Some people are going to go for it. They are, and you do enough of these, right? This is all it takes. You've got to have a bit of tenacity here. Don't be like, don't be going, oh, there's no money, nothing's working. Don't go like that because what's the option if you do that? You are tied to the post like a dog, and dogs hate being tied up. They hate it. They howl and they carry on and they bark and they carry on. They don't like it, right? And especially young dogs. And you ask kids, oh, what do you want to be when you leave school? Oh, I don't know. Of course they don't. You know why? Because they don't want to be like a dog tied to a post. That's why. And they know that's what the job, they're going to have to go and do a job, and that's what it represents. And it's just going to take their life away, and they're going to fritter away their life working for somebody else, and they don't like that idea. That's why they say that. And I don't blame them. So they can do this. See, and you should do this alongside your job. You're just on break. Your what is it? Your earned income, and pretty soon this will replace it. You just got to keep going and don't get into that. Oh no, you don't get into that. Just get the 10 up every day. Make it a habit. Learn. What you need to learn because Printful will teach you. See, I'll show you. You see how simple it is. I mean, it's just this simple. You put a slogan on. See, there's this girl with this hoodie on, right? She says, your slow design here. And that's right, you design here. That's exactly right. And once they got that there on that hoodie is unique in the marketplace. No one can buy that hoodie except from you. That's it. It's there's no competition. You do away with it when you do this. It's creativity does away with competition. See, because when you design your logo and you put it up, it's covered by copyright law. So they try and pinch it, you can sue them for it. That's the trouble, and they get a big slap, and they have to pay a big amount of money to you for stealing your work, because you created it, it's yours. And the minute it goes on that hoodie, and it's not put on that hoodie until the customer pays for it, and they want that on their hoodie because why? Because they like it, that saying. They think that saying's great, and they want to be seeing that every day, and they want to remember when they put it on. See, that's the thing. And that's the idea of it, right? That's how print on demand works, okay? So, you know, and I'll show you something else as well, because I think this is important too. You need to know, right? Oh, what happened? Oh, no. Okay, here, see, here's my free account. This is my account, it's free, and that's my name, and this is to tell you what to do. Next thing, design a product. So choose your product and start designing it. And so you can choose a t-shirt, a cap, a mug, or a mat here. You got a mat, but you can also do hoodies, like I showed with this girl here, right here. See, this girl's wearing a hoodie, and you can do those. And yeah, and anything else you could think of that it's in that's selling, you know, on Printful. You know, that's all you have to do. And a mat there, see. And there's the challenges, and then, you know, get setting up your store shop. See, that's 200. So you just get involved and do what you have to do, and you know, and let this thing take you where you're going to get passive income. And that's the thing. That's more secure than earned income will ever be. It'll never be secure earned income. That's not the way it is. You've got the four. You've got the four hanging around your neck, threatening you every day. Are you going to get made redundant? Are you going to get sacked? Don't get hurt and don't get sick, because all those four will cost you your income. You lose your income with any of those four, and that's what's dogging people, right? And you've got to be there. You've got to be present to get paid. And if once you've used up your sick pay and your annual leave, you try taking a day off and see what happens. You don't get paid for that day. You just don't, because you've got to be present. You've got to be there to get paid. Otherwise, you don't. You see, and then there's your go-to shortcuts, which is the fashion guide to tell you what's selling and what you should put your logos and your slogans and your sayings on. And then there's a Printful Academy where you learn about traffic, paid and free, and plus other things. And your product templates where you put your designs, and that's what it is. And you know, and you can slick it up on Canva. You can go and find out, find the successful design on Etsy, but don't copy. Don't copy. Remember what I said. They're under their copyright law, so don't copy. You know, you can take those designs, right, and those sayings, right, and you can slant them. That's what you do. You change them slightly. That's all you have to do. Once you've done that, it's not under copyright law anymore. You've made it unique to yourself, and that's all you have to do. So that just, you know, you can slant it, change it slightly, and put it in a different font. On Canva, but don't copy. That's what I'm saying. Don't do that, because otherwise you'll get slapped with a lawsuit, and that's what'll happen. Don't do it. Okay? But to do the business, get involved with Printful. I'm telling you, this is an opportunity for you to get passive income and get off your earned income, which is the worst income source and the highest taxed. Okay, so we go back to our sayings again. See, long life friends are as rare as diamonds, which they are. Friendship is a really precious thing, which it is, and friends help you to enjoy life, and they do help you to do that. Absolutely. So get into this Printful business. You know, do it alongside your job. You're just on broke. You know, your earned income, because get off that as fast as you can. You know, do 10 a day. That's all you need to do. 10 slogans a day, and 10 logos, slogans or sayings a day. You know, just 10. That's all you need to do. And pretty soon you'll be out of your job will be replaced with this business. And then you can become, once you've done that, you don't need to stay in one place anymore. You can become a perpetual traveler, or what do you call it, traveling nomad, and you can go and do it wherever you like. You can pick up and leave when it's cold and miserable and it's freezing. You know, you can pick up and go into the tropics and go to the Bahamas, or go over wherever you want. You know, or Los Terraces, or whatever it's called, where it's warm and where it's 23 degrees, 24 degrees. You know, and all this sort of stuff. It's nice. You know, where their winter is hot, is warm. You know, and you can run around in your shorts and your t-shirt. You see. So that's what you can do, you know. But that won't happen if you stick to your earned income. It won't never happen. You'll be stuck like a dog to a post until you're 65, and then you'll be broke. That's what'll happen. But this is not the case with this, okay? Because it's passive income. You don't have to be there. You know, it's like I said, an hour a day. That's it, to come up with 10 logos, and that's it. Get them up and do what you need to do. That's it. You can go off and do what you need to do once you've got the passive income coming in. That's what you can do. Anyway, if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to see more, click the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in another video, in another area, another section, and in the future. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Thanks again. Bye for now.